Okay, so the next step is we have restarted our system after database configuration completion. So next step is connecting to our database. So according to Oracle documents, it is best recommended that we will use an IDE. So Oracle provides its own IDE to connect with its database. That is SQL developer. So I have already downloaded that. We will extract it. As I am choosing a location for all my DB forms and so on, so I will extract that there. So here it is. We will run it. For our future use, we can create a shortcut on desktop also. So it will. We are not choosing any preference because it's our fresh installation. So for making a connection with database, we need a few things for our connection string. So if you go to app administrator, product, DB home, so this is basically our DB home network, add one, and here is a file TNS names. You will open that. So this is created by database installer, and this is our SID, and this is our system name, port, and you can see this is our service name. So we can connect with our database by two means. Let's try both. So first one is if we have to choose a name, so I'm using that system at ORCL. So this is basically our SID. We will choose system. My password that I have set during my installation. So for host name I can choose localhost, and or I can choose this name also. I can choose my IP as 127.0.0.1. So by all means I will connect to, because my database is at my local host, my port is this, and my SID is ORCL, which is already mentioned in this. So it's doesn't matter we have a lowercase and uppercase. So this is success. This is our system user by connected with the SID. Now we will connect with the service name. So service name is basically this complete. Here we choose the service name and we will paste it this is ORCL, the same our SID, and it's extended with our system domain. So I have already mentioned you that we have created a dummy domain which is not a DC controller. We just create a dummy domain and use it as a domain. Let's test success and connect. Password again, and you can see our both type of connection are available now. So in the next video we will goes to form and reports installation. After that we will connect our database with that. So this is all about the database. Let's go to forms.